Weaver birds are a fascinating group of small to medium-sized passerines best known for their extraordinary nest-building abilities. Found primarily in Africa and parts of Asia, these birds have captivated ornithologists and bird enthusiasts alike with their complex behaviors, striking plumage, and highly social nature. The name, weaver, comes from their remarkable skill in constructing intricately woven nests, often suspended from branches and crafted from grass, leaves, and other plant fibers. These nests are not only architectural marvels but also serve as a central part of their courtship and breeding rituals, with males typically building them to attract females. Weaver birds are incredibly adaptive, inhabiting a wide range of environments, from savannas and wetlands to forests and even urban gardens. Their diets mainly consist of seeds, grains, and insects, and they often forage in groups, displaying a dynamic and cooperative social structure. With vibrant colors, distinct vocalizations, and highly organized colonies, weaver birds are a vivid and essential part of the ecosystems they inhabit, symbolizing both the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Here are the top 10 most alluring weaver birds, admired for their vibrant plumage, fascinating behaviors, and exceptional nest-building skills. The Baya weaver Plosius philippinus is a small, sociable bird renowned for its extraordinary nest-weaving abilities. Native to the Indian subcontinent and parts of Southeast Asia, this species thrives in open grasslands, cultivated areas, and near wetlands. The male Baya weaver is particularly eye-catching during the breeding season, displaying a bright yellow crown and breast to attract a mate. What truly sets this bird apart is its intricately woven nest, shaped like a hanging retort, which is crafted from fine strips of grass, palm fibers, and other plant materials. These nests are often suspended from tree branches, usually above water, as a defense against predators. The species is highly gregarious, often nesting in colonies with dozens of nests in a single tree. The Baya weaver's unique blend of creativity, color, and community life makes it one of the most admired weaver birds in Asia. The golden weaver Plosius xanthops is a bright and beautiful bird native to Central and Eastern Africa, commonly found in countries like Uganda, Kenya, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is best known for its vivid yellow plumage, which becomes even more intense during the breeding season, making it a striking sight in its natural habitat. Golden weavers typically inhabit wetlands, swamps, and riversides, where reeds and tall grasses are abundant. Like other weaver birds, the male is a skilled nest builder, crafting intricately woven, ball-shaped nests suspended from reeds or branches to attract a mate. These nests are made from strips of grass and other plant materials. The golden weaver feeds mainly on seeds and insects and is often seen foraging in small flocks. Its bright coloring, social behavior, and exceptional nest construction make it a fascinating species within the weaver bird family. The chestnut weaver Plosius rubiginosus is a striking bird species belonging to the weaver family, known for its vibrant chestnut-colored plumage, especially prominent in breeding males. Native to parts of East Africa, including countries like Ethiopia, Kenya, and Somalia, this bird thrives in savannas, shrublands, and grasslands near water. Like other weavers, the chestnut weaver is famous for its intricate nest-building skills, crafting elaborate, hanging nests from grasses and plant fibers to attract mates. These birds are often seen in flocks and are highly social, with males typically constructing several nests to entice females during the breeding season. Their diet mainly consists of seeds and insects, making them important contributors to the local ecosystem. The Baglafecht weaver Plosius baglafecht is a colorful and adaptable weaver bird native to Eastern and Central Africa. Unlike many other weavers, it does not always nest in large colonies and can often be found nesting singly or in loose groups. The male is easily recognized by its bright yellow body, black mask around the eyes, and olive-green back, though appearance may vary slightly by region. Females are typically duller in color. The Baglafecht weaver thrives in a range of habitats, from mountain forests and woodlands to gardens and urban areas, making it one of the more versatile species. It feeds on insects, seeds, and fruits and constructs neatly woven nests in trees or shrubs. Known for its adaptability and vivid plumage, this species is a familiar and eye-catching presence in many African landscapes. The red-headed weaver Anaplex rubriceps is a striking and unique bird species found across parts of sub-Saharan Africa. True to its name, the male sports a vibrant red head, throat, and upper chest, contrasting sharply with its black wings and white underparts, making it stand out among other weavers. Females and non-breeding males are less colorful but still show hints of red. Unlike most weavers that build large colonies, the red-headed weaver is more solitary or found in small groups. It constructs distinctive nests, often loosely woven and oval-shaped, hanging from tree branches in savannas, woodlands, and gardens. This species feeds on insects, nectar, and fruit, and is admired not only for its bold colors but also for its adaptability to various habitats. The village weaver Closius cucullatus is a vibrant and social bird widely distributed across sub-Saharan Africa and introduced to other regions, including some Caribbean islands. It is easily recognized by the male's striking yellow body, black face mask, and reddish eyes during the breeding season. Females and non-breeding males are duller in color. True to its name, the village weaver often nests near human settlements, forming large colonies in trees or tall shrubs. The males are skilled builders, weaving elaborate, dome-shaped nests from strips of grass to attract females. This species feeds on seeds, grains, and insects, making it both a beautiful and adaptable presence in its environment. The thick-billed weaver Amblyospisa albifrons is a unique and distinctive member of the weaver family, known for its unusually large, conical bill, hence the name. This powerful bill is adapted for cracking hard seeds and manipulating tough plant fibers. Found in sub-Saharan Africa, particularly near wetlands, reeds, and riverbanks, the thick-billed weaver prefers dense vegetation for nesting and feeding. Males are mostly dark brown to black with white wing spots, while females and juveniles are lighter brown with streaks. Unlike many other weavers that build hanging nests, the thick-billed weaver constructs a large, dome-shaped nest made from coarse reeds or grass, typically placed among tall reeds or low shrubs near water. These birds are monogamous and often nest in small colonies. Their quiet yet methodical behavior, along with their unique nest shape and heavy bill, make them stand out among other more brightly colored and colonial weaver species. The Speke's weaver Closius speke is a striking and social weaver bird found primarily in East Africa, especially in countries like Ethiopia, Somalia, and Kenya. This species is easily recognized by its bright yellow body, dark black face mask, and piercing red eyes, giving it a bold and expressive appearance. It thrives in a range of habitats, from savannas and bushlands to farmlands and even urban gardens. Like other weavers, Speke's weavers are skilled nest builders, with males crafting elaborate hanging nests from grass and plant fibers to impress potential mates. These nests are often clustered in trees, forming small colonies. Speke's weaver feeds mainly on seeds, insects, and fruit, and is known for its loud, chattering calls. Its vivid colors and active social behavior make it one of the more charismatic members of the weaver family. The dark-backed weaver Closius bicolor is a small, forest-dwelling bird found mainly in Central and West Africa. It is named for its distinctive dark brown to blackish back, which contrasts with its bright yellow underparts and crown. This species prefers tropical and subtropical forests, often staying in the canopy and dense vegetation. Like other weavers, the male builds an intricate, hanging nest woven from grass and plant fibers to attract a mate. The dark-backed weaver is usually seen in pairs or small flocks, foraging for insects, seeds, and fruit. Its soft, melodic calls add to the rich sounds of the African forest where it thrives. The southern masked weaver Closius velutus is one of the most widespread and recognizable weaver bird species in southern Africa. Males are especially striking during the breeding season, with bright yellow plumage, a bold black facial mask, and red eyes, while females are duller with yellow-green coloring and no mask. Known for their remarkable nest-building skills, males weave intricate, hanging nests from grass and plant fibers, often over water or in trees to attract females. If a female rejects the nest, the male will dismantle it and build a new one, sometimes several in a season. These birds live in a variety of habitats, including savannas, grasslands, and suburban gardens. Their energetic behavior, buzzing calls, and busy nesting colonies make them a vibrant part of the African landscape. The conservation of weaver birds is increasingly important as many species face growing threats from habitat loss, climate change, and human activity. While some weaver birds are abundant and adapt well to urban environments, others have more specialized needs and are vulnerable to ecosystem changes. Wetland drainage, deforestation, and agricultural expansion disrupt their natural nesting and feeding grounds, particularly for species that rely on reeds, grasslands, or specific tree cover for colony building. In addition, pollution and pesticide use can diminish food sources like insects and seeds, affecting their survival and reproductive success. Climate change also alters breeding cycles and habitat suitability, making it harder for some populations to thrive. Conservation efforts for weaver birds must focus on preserving their natural habitats through the protection of grasslands, wetlands, and woodlands, as well as promoting sustainable land use practices. Environmental education and community involvement are key, especially in regions where local people coexist closely with weaver populations. Encouraging farmers to maintain native vegetation and reduce pesticide usage can help maintain ecological balance. Research and monitoring are also vital to understanding population trends and identifying at-risk species. By integrating habitat protection, public awareness, and scientific research, we can ensure that these remarkable birds, and their intricate, world-renowned nesting behaviors, continue to thrive for generations to come.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.